I'm hoping this box is just not packaging, because if y'all can tell, this is like a huge freaking box. Just to give you some context, this is like part of the air fryer that I had before. It has this little deal here that's horrible to clean. Like, it's not really dishwasher friendly. But so far it looks kind of big. Here's one of the extra utensils or tools, whatever you want to call it. I think that's for the rotisserie chicken.
We'll turn on this power here. We'll hit this rotisserie.
All right. So let me hold this up. Yeah, I think that's bigger than my old one, for sure, for sure. A lot of space. A lot of space. Look at that. I can fit my head in there. Now I have a hang of things. We can talk about it in detail. So this is the rotisserie stick holder. So whatever you put on the stick, you can take this in and out of the air fryer using this holder. We got a pizza pan as well, but it's about a good 10 inches. So it's more for like personal pizzas. We got these grids here. You got 2 each. I have my other one inside of it. I didn't clean it before this video. It also comes with this piece here that I have covered in foil. So this is used to catch any oil or anything that drips down. I recommend not using foil. I tried it, but it leaves like moisture under the pan there. Now I'm gonna show you how to put in the rotisserie stick. You pretty much just slide it in and click it in place on the other side. And if you want to see how the rotisserie stick holder works, this is it gives you somewhat of an idea of what it looks like if you have something on it. And the blades that help hold the meat on the rotisserie bar, the rotisserie stick, is kind of hidden in the packaging, so just make sure you check in the foam and don't throw it away. And to use it, you just slide it into place, tighten it up, and it's good to go. All right, now we can talk about the device itself. So I'm gonna start with the buttons. So this little rotation symbol you see, that's for the rotisserie bar. So you'll press that to start the rotisserie mode. You know, the stuff here is self-explanatory, the temperature, the time. To turn it off, you press and hold down the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then it'll power off. Sometimes it'll go into like a cool down mode if you have it on for a while. Now let's talk about the modes a little bit. So we got rotisserie, dehydrate, bacon, pizza, keep warm, reheat, bake, broil, and for the last 2 we have roast, and of course air fry. If you're thinking about getting this or something similar, there's a couple things I want to tell you. So first, the heat source is on the very top. So whatever you cook on the top shelf or the top rack, it'll cook faster, and you'll most likely have to leave whatever's at the bottom to cook a little bit longer. And if you're cooking bigger size meats, you may want to think about getting a separate drip pan, because the oil and everything that drips down, if it overflows, it'll just flow out the machine. But besides that, I have no complaints. I've been using it pretty much every day because I can't cook, and I cook a lot of chicken nugget fries and a lot of stuff I don't really need, y'all. But if you have any questions, you know what to do. But that's all I have for this video, y'all. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.